In this video, we are going to get started with MCP Proxies in WSO2 API Platform AI Gateway, which is a standalone gateway that you can run on your own infrastructure. So before you proceed, make sure that you have Docker and Docker Compose commands available. You can also use any Docker-compatible container runtime depending on your operating system. So first, we are going to download the gateway on our machine using this command. Then we will unzip the archive. Then we'll go inside the gateway folder and we are going to start it up using a Docker Compose command. We're going to give it a project name AI Gateway, and it's going to start up the gateway. So now after it started, let's check if the gateway controller admin endpoint is up and running and healthy, which is the control plane. So to do that, we're going to send this request to the health endpoint. It should give us a healthy status. So let's start up a sample MCP server. So notice that we are specifying the project name that we had specified earlier when we started up the gateway. So this will start up the sample MCP server, which is listening on port 3001 as we had specified. So now let's deploy this MCP server as an MCP proxy configuration to our gateway using this command. And here, let's look at the command that we're using. So we are specifying that it's an MCP proxy configuration. We are giving it a name, a display name, version, and the context, which is the path that we are going to access the MCP server with a client once we do that. And we are, of course, specifying the URL where the MCP server is running. So if we press enter, it's going to be added successfully. The MCP proxy is deployed to the gateway. And now to test, let's copy this MCP server and URL. So notice that the context that we added is here in the URL. So we have copied it. So let's use the official model context protocol inspector. You can also use Claude Code. So let's start it up. Once it's opened, let's specify streamable HTTP and then specify the URL. Now, if we press connect, it should connect to the MCP server. So we have various resources. We can go to tools and then list the available tools. We can use one of the available tools if we want. Everything should work correctly. We get a successful response of a tool. So now, if you want to stop the gateway instance, you can do that. If you want to, I want your configurations, the MCP proxies and everything, and your data to persist. You can use Docker Compose and then the project name and then down this one. Otherwise, if you want to completely shut down the instance and start with a clean slate, your data and your MCP proxy configuration, everything will be deleted, then you can do this command. So let's, if we run this, our gateway instance should be down.